Hey guys, it's Shannon from CKC, and today I'm here to show you how to tape together PDF patterns. I'm obviously using a CKC pattern, and if you're not familiar with PDF patterns, they're just like normal store-bought patterns, except it's all digital on your computer. So you print out the pattern pieces and then you can tape them together, and you don't have any pesky tissue paper patterns to try to keep track of. You can just fold these up and file them away, or if you're not going to make the pattern again, you can just throw them out and print it off again when you need it. So if you look at this pattern, we have lines and then we have letters with little boxes, and all you're going to do is you're just going to match up the letters, the lines and the letters. So all of our patterns have page numbers on them, so they should be right in order and easy to follow along. Here we have AC, we have AC here. So you just put the lines on top of each other, grab your tape, and give it a little tape. And then the next page is 14, and it has BD, and here's 13 with BD. So you just match up these lines and letters. Give it a little tape. And you have those ones done. And you're just going to keep doing this until your pattern piece is complete. What I usually like to do for the second row is I like to tape these pieces together just like I did the first row. Sorry, my dog, my little puppy's over here and he's being a little noisy. You can hear his bell. You little stinker. Okay, I will show you as soon as I throw some tape on this piece what I mean. All right, so here I have E, F, G, H, I, J, and I have the same thing here, E, F, G, H, I, J. And so I just put the two lines on top of each other and match up the letters, and then you can just tape right across here. Super duper easy. I don't like to waste a lot of tape. So for like up here, you saw I taped to the line and down a little, and I did that for here because you're cutting there. So you want it to be stuck where it overlaps and where you're cutting. But for down here, because you can see that there's going to be, it's going to be taped here and here, I just threw a little tape in the middle. And then when I tape these pieces together, I'm just going to put some tape across these main parts and the end over here. And actually I'm doing the off the shoulder, so I don't need to put any tape here to the cowl. Okay, so as you can see here, I got my whole pattern piece taped together, and I can just cut it out following all the lines all the way down to the back average length. And if you wanted, you could print out two of these, so you could have one for the front length and one for the back length, but since it's just a straight line, I have no problem when I cut it out to just fold the pattern piece back, because I really don't like to waste that much fabric, or I mean, sorry, that much paper. So I hope that this tutorial was helpful and you understand how easy it is to use PDF patterns. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below and I'll be more than happy to answer. You can check out our website, ckcpatterns.com, to view all of our patterns. We have over 1,500 patterns. And make sure that you subscribe and check out our other videos, because we have tons of amazing tutorials on sewing techniques and different things that you might find useful. So thanks for watching. Have a great day.